Hello guys, it's me Sayus and welcome back to another Flutter tutorial. In this video, we are going to make a gadget store app. The design here is inspired from another designer I found on dribble.com. I will give the link to his work in the video description. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, if you want to code with me, go to the source code link in the video description and change the branch to project setup and download the zip file, and you are all ready to go. As you come here, please don't forget to start the repo and follow me on GitHub. Thank you. Before we start, let me quickly explain the project setup here. First, we have added all the images required for this app. In the PubSpec YAML file, we have added the images. Next, we have created two model classes, one for popular product and another for best selling. Popular products have all the required features for the popular product, and best selling product models have all the features for it. And another thing we have is data file. Data.dart file. In this, we stored all the data which is required for this project, and we have created two lists, one for the product model and another for the best popular product model and another for best selling product model. And the next thing we have added is a constant.dart file. In this file, we have added all the colors used in this app and set a default app padding. So, this is all for the project setup, and let's get start coding. For that, go to main menu, go to main.dart file, remove all the comments. Now, let's change the name to gadget store. Now, we can change the debug. We can take the debug banner off. For that, debug project banner is false. Next, we can change the scaffold background color to white. Next, we can remove this class, and first we are going to create this home screen. And it's a stack of background image, and on top of it, it has some text and a container at the bottom. So let's create that. For that, in the library, create another package and call just screen. All the screens are created in this package. And let's create another package and call just home. Inside this home, let's create another Dart file and call just home screen. Now, let's import material.dart. Let's create a stateful widget and call home screen. So, why we are creating a stateful widget? Because if this screen is placed on this screen, we have draw a scheme. So we have to import some menu callback functions to come here, so that we are creating a stateful widget. After we complete, you will understand. Next, let's import here and let's create home screen. string. Let's reload. Okay, completely black. Now change the container to scaffold. The body of the scaffold will be a stack. Inside stack we have children. The first children will be background image. For that, let's create another package in home and call just component. Inside component, let's create a Dart file and call it as background image. Let's import material.dart. Let's create a stateless widget and call it as background image. To get the size of the screen, let's create a size equal to media query dot of context dot size. This will return the size of the screen. And inside the container, let's have a child image. Image will be image, set image, and set slash images slash set main dot save to T. Okay, let's import this. Let's import this file. Okay, let's reload. Okay, the image has come. Now let's give a height to it by having height dot height into 0.55. Okay, then let's have a fit box fit dot cover. Okay. Next, we have to create the next layer of the tag, which has a app bar and some text and a bottom container. Now we can add this inside a column. So inside the tag, let's have column and let's give main X alignment. Main X alignment dot space between. We are giving space between because to push this app bar and the bottom text and container to the bottom side to give the maximum space here. So inside the column, let's have children. Inside first children will be custom app bar. Custom app bar and inside the component, let's create another Dart file and call custom app bar. Let's import material.dart. Let's create a stateful widget for this. For that, custom app bar. And let's import here. For the app bar, Let's wrap this widget with safe area. Let's rearrange the text. And this container, let's copy the size here. New size is 2. Okay. The height of the container will be size.height 0.1. Let's give a random color to check, and let's give the color as white. Okay, that's good. And now let's give a padding. Exchange for all. Padding. Child row. Main axis element will be space between. Main axis element dot space between. So has children. The first children will be icon, and icon dot short text bounded. Okay, now let's give the color white and size to 25. Okay, that's done. Next we have what we have. Let's check here. Like this, we have a text and we have an icon. For that, the text we are using with text. Text will be text span. Inside the text span, let's give style and give font size to style, text style. Font size to 22, and okay, that's enough. And after this style, we have children of text span. And inside first we have text span. First text will be UPT and let's have style to it. Okay, here just bold to font weight and it as bold. Here let's change this to style. Okay, forgot to put the comma here. Style, text style, text style, and let's have a color yellow. Okay, and we need another text span. Let's copy this and paste it. Let's change this to yellow and change the color to red. Okay, the reloading. Okay, we have small dot here, and that's finished. Next, we can copy this icon and paste here, and okay, not here. Let's cut it again and paste it here and change to search sound. Okay, that's created. Now let's create a bottom container. For that, let's create another. I think this can be another column here. Okay, and let's create a column here. Column inside a column, and inside the column we have children, and both children will be bottom container. And inside the component, let's create another Dart file and call it bottom container. Let's import material.dart. It will be a stateless widget named as bottom container. Let's import bottom container. Okay. Now let's copy the size. Copy and paste right here. And the size of the container will be height dot height star 0.5. Let's have a decoration. Box decoration. Let's see the color white. Okay, now let's give a border radius. Border radius dot circular 40. Oh, sorry, not 40. Okay, next circle. Next, inside a child. Child will be padding and insert dot only. Top will be padding and left will be padding. Inside here we have child. Create a column. Column will have children, padding, and insert dot only. Let's see padding right, padding. You will understand why we give two paddings here. Next, we have a child. Let's rearrange text. We have child. The child will be a row. And the next element dot space between children. Children will be a text. Popular. wait. Okay, let's style the text. Text style. Font weight will be bold. And font size will be 18. Okay, that's enough. Let's copy and paste text again. Copy, paste, and change to 01/20 and change text to 14 or 15. Okay, that's created. Now we have to create the popular horizontal list view. Popular product horizontal list view. For that, after this row padding, let's have popular product. Have popular product, and inside component, let's create another dot file and call popular product. Let's import material.dart. Let's create a stateless widget called popular product. Popular product. Let's import popular product, and we can copy this size here, and we need a container. The height of the container will be height Windows 0.2. Let's give a color. Reloading. Okay, that's enough. Let's say child list view dot builder. And let's create a builder. For that, let's have a physics bound scroll physics. Scroll direction will be axis dot horizontal. Item count will be popular product list dot length. And let's create item builder. Item builder, we need a context and then index. And we can return build popular product, and let's have a context, and we can create the popular product here. Let's have a widget. Let's copy this thing, paste it, and we have a build context, index. Here we need popular product model. Popular product model equal to popular product list. Popular product list index. and we can copy this size paste here, and let's return a tag. For the tag we need a container. Sorry, not center. In a container, and width of the container will be size dot width 0.3. Let's give a color. That's right. Now we can understand I need a container. Okay, it's reloading. Okay, there is no change here, so let's reload. Here, next, inside the tag we can have children, and first children can be a container, and width size dot width 0.05, and height size dot height 0.05. Okay, let's have a decoration. Let's use box decoration and color to effect. Okay, this color. Okay, there is nothing showing. Oh, that's a small container. So let's see the big one. That's 0.2 and 0.9, and change to brown. Having okay, that's good. Let's grab the container with the sorry, not a widget, with padding, and save symmetric, vertical, padding divided by 4. Okay. Now let's have border radius dot circular 20, okay. Next we can create this container. For that, after the padding, let's copy this padding whole container and paste it again, and change this to white. It's loading. Let's see what it will be perfectly overlap this. Okay, so we have no error. Okay, no error. It's taking some time to load to the emulator. Okay, perfectly. Let's have a box shadow here. Box shadow color will be black with opacity 0.4, offset offset 5,5 and blur radius will be 5. Okay, next, for changing the position we can wrap the widget by the widget called position. Okay, that's good. And that bottom will be size dot height star 0.04 and right will be size dot width star 0.03. Let's reload. Okay, here let's reload that again. It's taking some time. I think the emulator is done and perfect. And now let's add an image here. For that, let's have a child image, image asset image popular model dot image URL. Let's add a fit, and fit will be box fit dot content. Okay, the app is not okay. The images have come and it's all are perfect. Okay, we will 3 images. If we have 1 more images, we can store this thing. Okay. Next we can create the text. For that, we can have a child. Child will be padding. And insert dot symmetric horizontal padding. Horizontal will be app padding divided by 4, and child will be a column is main axis element. Main axis element of the column will be, you can give that space around, and cross axis alignment will be cross axis alignment dot start. Children, first children will be text, and text can be dollar, another dollar sign, and popular product model dot price. Let's have a style, textile, the color will be white, and font size will be 20. Okay, we can copy the text again, and the next text will be old price. Change the color to yellow and font size to 12. And we need a decoration. Text decoration. So I think this is overlapping the text. We can slightly move the container so it won't be touching that. Before that, let's add a decoration line through and go to the right side, and let's have two right side dot width in the 0.02, and let's check. Okay, I think better we can reload the app one. Okay, it's reloading. Okay, the app has restarted and now it's okay. Now let's create. Oh, I think in the design is way off from this and this container. Oh, let it be done. It's okay. I think one will be good. Okay, that's created. Let's check the design once again. Now we have to create this and this container. For that, go to top. Okay, let's create a top. Let's create a position, and child of the position will be a container. Rearrange the code. Let's right side will be right dot width star 0.08. Bottom will be right dot height 0.11, and the container width will be right dot width 0.05. Height will be size dot height 0.05. Let's have a decoration. Box decoration. Color will be red. Okay, we need to push this container again. For that, change the position to 2. 2 will be right. Okay, that's way we need. 4 will be better. Size dot width into 0.04. Okay, that's perfect. Let's have a decoration. Okay, so all have inside the decoration, let's have border radius dot circular, and we can give 5. More curve. and the child will be text. Let's have a text, and it will be let's have string mention, and let's have popular product model dot discount, and let's have a percentage here, percentage symbol, percentage. Now let's add style to it, text style, the color will be white, font size will be 8, and let's have height will be 2. Okay, let's reload the app. Let's rearrange that. Okay, it's not at the center. For making it center, let's give the text align dot center. Okay, now the text is at center. Now let's create a small round container just for the design. For that we can copy and paste the same and make changes in this. Let's make right to left and bottom to top, and we can paint on or need this child here. We can remove the child, and color will be yellow, and instead of border radius we need remove this border radius, and let's have shape, box shape dot circle. Okay, let's have 1 or 2 here, and we can on the top we can take it as 1. Okay, now it's good. Okay, we have recreated this. Next, let's focus on this container, a best selling and the bottom container. For that, go to bottom container. Okay, we can copy this text again, copy this and paste it here, then change the popular to best selling, and change this to 6 circle. Let's reload the app. Okay, that's created. Now we have to create the best selling product. This will another horizontal list view. For that, after the padding, let's create best selling product. And let's insert the components. Let's create a dot file and call it as best selling product. Best selling product. Let's import material dot can be a stateless widget. selling product. Let's import. Now we can just copy the size. Copy the size. Paste it here. Okay. Now we can create, which will be size dot width 0.24. Oh no, it's not the size, it's the height. Sorry for that. The height will be size dot height 0.2. Okay, comma here. Next, we have let's give it size dot width. Let's give a size dot width. The child will be list view dot builder, and let's create the builder. Let's have a physics bounce for physics. Whole direction will be axis dot horizontal. Item count will be the best selling product list dot blank. The builder will have a context and index. We can return build best product context comma index. Next, we can build this. For that, let's have a gadget. Oh no, it's not here. It's here. Gadget, and it will have a build context, and then index. Here, let's have this size, and next we'll have best selling product model. Best selling product model equal to best selling product list index. Let's rearrange, and we can return let's have padding and insert symmetry. Vertical will be padding divided by 2. Horizontal will be padding divided by 3. Rearrange 4. Put a semicolon here. Okay. After the padding, we need a child. Child will be a container. This will be size dot width 0.8. Let's give a color to it for check. Let's see it as brown. Okay, it's looking good. Let's remove the color here. Let's have a padding. Let's insert dot all app padding divided by 3. Let's have a decoration, box decoration. Color will be brown and border radius will be border radius dot circular and radius will be 20. It's done. Next, we have a child. Child of the container will be a row. Main axis alignment. Main axis alignment dot update with it. So we can push both these images and this to end, and we can give the text at the middle. Next, children. First children will be image. Image will be that image best selling product model dot image URL. The image has come. Let's give an code. Let's give a width. Right dot width 0.24. Let's pick box width dot cover. Okay, that's done. For the curved edges, let's grab the image widget with click rect. And give a border radius dot circular 16. Okay, the radius is done. Next, after the click this, we have to create both these containers, and it will be in column. Okay. For that, let's add a small size box. It will be just fine. Next, we need a container. The width of the container will be size dot width 0.24, and let's create another container of the same width. Now, inside the first container, let's have a child column, and the first one will be the name, then will be a description, and next another will be price. Okay, create that. First, let's have a row axis element. Row axis alignment dot start. Main axis alignment. Main axis alignment dot space between. Let's have children. I have created two containers first here itself. Now we have, if we add the contents to first container, it will be the just after this image. else it will be pushed to this here. So it will be difficult to understand what is happening. So that's why I have created the second container. Okay. The first children will be a text. First text will be best selling product model dot name, and let's have a style, text style, color will be white, okay, the font size can be 18, font weight can be bold, and let's add an overflow. In case if we add another product and it has a big name, it will go out of the container. So let's add an overflow. Text overflow dot ellipse. Okay. Now let's copy and paste text again and change its name to description and change color to white, both 12, and remove the font weight. Okay, here, and we have to create another for the price. Let's copy this and paste the text again. For the price, it's a small dollar sign and the big price. For that, let's create it as a row. We can use and text span here, but we can use row too because it's just for display. So let's wrap the widget. Okay, first let's give let's wrap this with a single quote, and inside the single quote here dollar sign create. Okay. Okay, change the description to price, and size will be 36. Okay, that's done. And let's wrap the widget with a row. We can copy the text, paste here, change this to a dollar sign, and size will be 16. Okay, that's done. Now let's create the chart. Rating and a widget, a button. For that, inside the container, we need a child. Child will be a column. Cross-axis alignment. Cross-axis alignment dot and main axis alignment, main axis alignment dot space between, and children will be this chart. In this design we have charts at both the pages, so let's create as a widget. Okay. Inside the libraries, let's create another package and call it as widget. widget, and let's create a dart file and call it as star rating. Let's import material.dart. It will be a stateful widget, star rating, and the star rating will have a double. It will get a double value of rating. The rating will be always in a double, such as 4.5 or 5 or 3.8, etc. And let's have a constructor. Let's have this dot rating, and let's put a semicolon. And let's change the container to a row. And main axis element, main axis element dot center, children, children will be a list dot generate. The length will be a 5, and the index, let's pass index, and if index greater than widget dot rating dot round return star true. Else return star false. Now we have to create this star. For that, let's create its star widget, and the star will have bool and fill. Return container child icon. Let's have a semicolon here, and icon dot icons dot star size will be 18, and color will be, if it is filled, then we will get a yellow. Else we will give white. Okay, now let's call this here. Let's call here star rating, and let's pass the rating. Okay, that has been created. Now let's create the button. For the button, let's pass the container. It will be size dot star 0 0.12. Height will be size dot height star 0.06. Decoration, box decoration, color will be red. And border radius of circular. And now let's have a child icon dot arrow forward rounded, and give the colors to white. Okay, we successfully created the first page. Next we have to create the second screen, and then we will create the drawer. Okay, let's create the second screen. For that, if we click the button, it will move to the second screen. Detail screen. For that, let's in the screen, let's create another package and call it as detail. And inside details, let's create another dot file and call it as detail screen. And let's import material.dart, create a stateful widget, and it will be detail screen. Okay, let's close all this which we already created. Okay, that's filling. Now let's swap the widget. Let's swap the widget with an inkwell, or we can give it as just a detector. It's your wish. And the inkwell will provide on tap function. On tapping on this, we will give navigator.push. On text, and route will be material page route, and builder will be detail page. And inside detail screen, we can pass the best selling product model. Okay, we can have a comma here, and the semicolon. Let's get code. Okay, inside the detail screen, let's get this model. Best selling product model. And let's create a constructor. For creating constructor, click on the red button and create a constructor. Next, okay, let's run the app. Click, okay, become a black screen. Now change this to a scaffold, and body of this scaffold will be a column. Let's take design. First it has a bar, then it has a images and have features container. Okay, let's create that. Inside the column we have children, and first children will be customer bar. App bar. Okay, inside. Okay, it's not this customer bar. Let's remove. Where is this? Okay. Let's create another package for components inside the details. And inside the components, let's create another dot file and call it custom app bar. Will be let's import material.dart. Let's create a stateless widget. Let's import. While importing, be careful. Just import the app bar, custom app bar under the detail component, not under the component of form. Okay. It's somewhat similar, so we can copy the app bar from here. It's nearly same, I think. So we can copy and let's close it and paste it here. And we need to import padding and font. Let's run the ad. Okay, only the text is coming. It's because both the icons are white at the first screen. Now we need the black icon. So change the first icon, change to arrow back iOS. Rounded here and change the color to white. Sorry, black. And change to black. Now let's wrap the icon, this icon with a widget and call it equal. Well, we have an on tap property. If we are tapping on that, we can give navigate to dot pop content. If we click this button, it will come to this screen. Okay, the bar is done. Now let's create images and image names. For that, let's create product. Let's give name as product name and images, and we can pass widget dot best selling product model to it. And inside the component of details, let's create a dart file and call it as product underscore name underscore and underscore images. Product name and images. Import material.dart and it will be a stateful widget product name and images. Let's import this. Here we can have final best selling product model, best selling product model, and we have a constructor, product name and images, inside the parenthesis with dot best selling model. Okay, that's created. Now we can copy this side, paste it here. Now aesthetic container. Let's have a height dot height. Okay, the height is not necessary here. Inside the container, let's have a child and it will be a column. First, let's give the name and the heart icon. And first icon will be column, and inside the column it will have children, and first we can give padding at inside dot symmetric horizontal and padding. Let's rearrange text, and first will be a child of row, and main axis alignment of the row will be main axis alignment dot space between, and children will be text. First text will be widget dot best selling model dot name. Okay, name is come. Let's style the text by text style. We can give font size to 22 and font weight to bold. Next, we can create the icon. For that, under the text, let's have an icon dot favorite rounded, and let's give the color red. Okay, that's done. Now we can create these images. The images will be a list view. For that, under the padding, let's create a container. The height of the container will be type dot height star 0.4. Let's give a random color to it, just for checking. Let's give it as red for now. Okay, it's perfect. Height for the images. Let's create a child list view dot builder. The physics will be physics. Let's select physics. Physics will be bound for physics. And scroll direction will be axis dot horizontal. Item count will be widget dot product best selling product model dot list images URL dot length. Okay, next create builder. builder will have a context and an index, and we will return the images, and we can pass context, index, and the list of images. Okay. Now let's create the widget. For that, go to Home and let's create a widget. Build images. The build images will have a context, index, and we pass the path search here. Okay, a list of images. For that, let's have a list of string images URL. List of images URL, and let's have the size copied from here, and let's return. Let's give a padding. Padding will be at dot if only. Top will be app padding divided by 2. Bottom will be app padding divided by 2, and left will be app padding divided by 1.5. The comma and have a semicolon. Let's rearrange that. Okay, that's done. Now let's have the images. For that, let's have a child. Child will be image. We have image, asset image, asset image, list image URL, and pass the index. All the images have been created. For fixing the equal width for the images, let's have width size dot width 0.045. Okay. Now we can fix the images in the container box width dot cover. For curving the images, we will wrap the widget with clip rect, and clip rect have the properties border radius, and border radius will be, let's give the border radius as circular 30. Okay, that's perfect. Now we have to create this features container. Right. Okay, all the images are good. For that, let's close this in order to see the number. Let's create product features. And we can pass widget dot selling product model, and inside the component Let's create a dart file and call it as product features. Features. Product features. Let's import material.dart. Let's create a stateful widget and name it as product features. Let's import it here. As the incoming monolith frame, we can go to this and just copy the two lines from here and paste, and let's import this and change to product features. Okay, now we have done that. Now we need this size. Let's copy this size from here and let's paste it here. And wrap the container with a padding. Padding will be only for top. And we can wrap the padding with another widget and call it as expanded. The expanded widget will expand the this container, expand the child of the expanded widget to the size of the screen till it touches the bottom and the side. Okay, inside the container, let's have a decoration, box decoration, color will be brown, let's have a border radius, dot vertical, and have top radius dot circular 40. Let's rewrite that. That's created. Next, let's set up padding outside the box decoration. Let's have a padding and insert dot all app padding. Now the child of the container will be a column cross axis alignment dot dark and main axis alignment dot paste. Children, and the children will be row, main axis alignment, main axis alignment dot space between first children will be a text, text will be a feature. texture. Let's style the text with textile. Color will be white. Font size will be, let's see, just 20. And font weight and W600. Font weight or W600. Okay, it's a semi-bold. Now let's create the icon, the rating star and the rating. For that, set this row. You can have another row. Have a children. Let's have star rating, and we can pass widget dot best selling product dot rating. Okay, this has unfortunately paused and system is unresponding. Now we can rerun the app. Okay, the app has been restarted or rerun. Now we have to have a small size box of width 5, and let's have a text widget dot best selling product rating dot string. Let's style textile. Color will be white. And let's give the font size as 16 or 17. On the 17 will be good. Okay, now that's done. Now let's create the text and the icon. For that, let's rearrange text, and after this row we can create a text. That will be widget dot best selling product model dot max description. Don't worry, because it's at bottom. If we created this icons and this, it will automatically push to the top as we give the main axis alignment as space with it. Now we can style the text. Text style. Color will be white. White. And okay. Or let's give it a font weight to it. Font weight as W300. Okay. Now let's create this icon. Okay, again the app UI is not responding. So yeah. Okay. Let's try it out one more time. Okay. Now let's create the icon. Under this text, let's have a row. Next element name axis element dot space between. Children. The first children will be a container. Container. Width will be size dot width 0.2 and height will be size dot height 0.12. Let's check with a random color. Let's give that white. Okay, it's a bit done. Don't worry about the position. Let's have a decoration. Box decoration. Color will be white. And we need a border radius. Border radius dot circular 20. The child of the container will be a column. You can give main axis alignment. Main axis alignment dot center. Children. Children will be an icon. Icon dot battery charging full rounded. Okay, let's see the color as yellow and size as 30. Okay, let's rearrange that. And after this icon we need a text and text will be gadget dot text, not text dot battery. That's not Bluetooth, it's battery. Okay, and to denote this, let's give the smallest for hours. Now we can style the text. Style. I don't know what's happening. Closing. Okay. And let's style the text with text style. And font weight will be bold. I think done. And let's increase the size. Font size can be increased to 16. Okay, now that's good. For consuming more time, we can copy this container for time. Copy, and copy. Let's run the code. Okay. For the first container, it will be watch our sound, and it will be put and give it as M here. That's done. Next we have Bluetooth. For that, go to the next container, change to Bluetooth counter, and change the battery to Bluetooth and remove this patch. Okay, that's done. And go to the next container, change the charge full to what's that thing? It's volume. Sorry, volume. Volume up rounded and change this to sound. Okay, done. Three. Okay, it's again slow. And let's have a D here for the decibel. Okay, that's done. And one last final thing, we need to create this button. For that, go to after this row. Okay, after this row. After this row, we need to create another row and have children. And let's take this way. Okay. First, we can create this button, and we can expand. We can give this button as an expanded. So let's do that. First, okay, let's do that. So, children. First will be a container. It will be size of width 0.2 and height will be size dot height 0.1 and decoration box. Decoration color will be white. Okay, I have border radius dot circular and give it as 20. Okay, that's done. Now let's create a child. Child will be icon dot shopping basket rounded. Let's increase the size at 40. Okay, that's done. Now we can create this button, add to cart button. For that, let's have an expanded widget, and child of the expanded will be a container. Rearrange the text, and the container, let's give a margin at insert only to the right, padding divided by 2. I think what's the issue with the, I don't understand what the issue. The emulator keep on not responding. Okay, have margin, and let's have a height, size dot height 0.1. Let's have a decoration, box decoration, and have a color. That's right. Border radius dot circular 20. Okay, that's done. Now we can have a child child of the container will be a row. Then you main axis alignment, main axis alignment dot center. The children will be text. Let's add a dollar sign. Let's style the text. Text style. Color will be white. And font size will be 16. Let's copy the text and paste it again. Now let's have gadget dot price. And let's increase it by 26 with 1. And let's add a font weight as W600. Okay, that's enough. Now let's add a small size box of width 10. And we need to create this add to cart. For that, we can copy the text and paste it. And let's add to cart. Put the comma here, add to cart. Change the color to yellow. Again, okay, it's yellow, and just add a font weight W600. Yeah, that's good. And we created the detail screen. Okay, let's go back. We have forgotten a small thing to add this text here. Okay, let's add the text here. For that, let's go to home screen. Let's have a main text. And we can create text in components. Let's create a dark file and call it as main text. Let's import material.dart stateless widget and call it as main text. Let's import here. Now let's have a padding and set dot all app padding. App padding, and we can have a style. Style will be column, and let's give a cross axis alignment. Here cross axis alignment of chart. Let's have a children. Let's read that text. Collection 2020. Okay, collection. here or here. First let's style the text. Style. Color will be yellow. And font size will be 18. Okay. And font weight will be W600. And let's go to the home screen and let's add a cross axis element of not here. Inside this row, let's have a cross axis element. Cross axis element dot start. Okay, that's done. Let's have a size box of height. Let's say height 15. Now let's copy the text and paste it here and change the text to arrow gadget. And the color will be white. Color will be white. Font size will be 30 and font weight can be bold. Okay, that's done. We can copy this, put the size box and paste it here. And the next text will be technical features. ATURES features including industry. Okay, let's remove these two. Okay, that's enough. So we have created both the first and the second screen, and here is the main part of our design. We need to create the navigation drawer. We can create that as a separate screen. So let's do that. Drawer. Navigation drawer. Okay. Inside the navigation drawer, create a dart file and call it navigation drawer screen. Import material.dart. Let's create a stateful widget and call it navigation drawer string. In this design, it's building as a stack, but this the red layout screen and the home screen is placed over it as a stack. So here we can first create this screen. For that, let's change this in the main menu. Let's call navigation drawer screen. change the scaffold. And body of the scaffold will be a stack. And children will be the string, whole of the string, and we can make this in another file. Okay, let's call it as navigation drawer body, or just drawer body. Then inside this navigation drawer, let's create another package and call it as component. And inside component, create another dart file and call it as drawer body. Drawer body. Okay. Let's import material.dart and let's create a stateless widget and call it as drawer body. Okay, drawer. Okay, now we can import this board package. Okay, and let's return a scaffold and body of the scaffold. We can have a padding because we are creating this screen. Have padding from top and bottom and at left too. Okay, let's create that padding. Padding. Okay, padding. Let's change that only. Left will be padding. Top will be padding 2 and bottom will be padding 3 of 3. Let's align that. Okay, that's done. And for child, inside the padding, let's have a child. Child will be a container in the height, so that we can create size equal to media query dot of context dot size. It will return the size of the main. And next we can have width, size dot width into 0.45. Let's have, and to make the color red, let's have a background color red. Okay, that's nice. The container, let's have a child for it. Child will be column and column. Okay. Cross axis of alignment of the column. Cross axis alignment dot start. Then main axis alignment will be main axis alignment dot space between. Space between. Now have children. And first children will be the clothes. Okay. For that, let's have an icon dot clear rounded. Let's give the color as white. Okay, that's done. Now we can add the text hello, and that's my name. Let's add text and hello, comma, and use to choose. Okay, don't worry because it's at the bottom. If we add more content, it will push up as we give main axis dot space between. And let's have a style for it by having text style, and color will be white, and we can have a font size 220. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. Next we have to add these icons, and if we can give it in a container, and we can. Okay, for that let's have a container. Let's have a height of container, height into 0.4, and child of the container have a column, main axis alignment dot space evenly, and we have children, and the first children will be a row. So have children and icon dot home routed, and give the color yellow. Okay, that's done. Now let's have a small text box, and let's have a width of 10, and we can have text, and let's have home, and let's style the text by text style, and color white. Okay, that's done, and we have to create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 of them more. So we can copy this row and paste it again. It's just for time consuming, and we can create, we have to create a builder for this. I am doing only this for time saving. If this video is having too long, so I should finish it as I. Okay, the next icon will be user here. Not user, person. Okay, person, and change this to profile. Okay, we can copy the row again, paste it, and next we have balance, and change this to ATM. Okay, local ATM. Okay, that's done. We can paste it once more, and next is cart. Let's have selfie, and into shopping basket. Okay, we can paste it again, and this time we have favorite. favorite, and string is favorite rounded. Okay, that's done. Next we have help and the settings. So let's create again. Let's have a help, and icon will be help, and next will be settings, and icon will be settings rounded. Okay, we have created this, and final thing, we need a should we create a container for this, or let's have a divider, that's enough, and logout button. For that, after the container, let's create a divider. Okay, divider is not visible. Let's give a color in white. Okay, now it's showing. And next we have to create another icon, so we can copy this and paste it here. Okay, and let's change the logo. Change into logo. Okay, and this screen is completed. Now we can add the home screen into this. For that, let's go to the navigation screen, and we can add the home screen on top of the screen. Okay, let's have home screen. Let's reload. Okay, this will be home screen. Okay, to reduce the size and give an animation for it, we need to after this navigation drawer screen here, we must give a single ticker provider statement. Okay, this, and we need an animation controller, and let's name it as animation controller. And then we need a duration, and let's have a duration. Duration is equal to duration milliseconds. Let's see 500. That is slow, and you will be able to see that animation. And now we have to create an init state. Oh, because I put comma here, that's right. Let's create an init state. Init state will help to create do some tasks when the state is created. For that, let's have an animation controller equal to animation controller and let's have these things. This is why we have at single state minimum. Sorry, what's that? Single ticker provider state. If we put the cursor over it, it will show what it's doing. Okay, and it will have a animation controller will have a duration. Let's put a semicolon at the end. Sorry, put a semicolon here, and to locate this to the screen to the right side, we can wrap the screen in a widget called animated position, and let's rearrange the code. The animated position will have a duration, and top will be 0, bottom will be 0, and left will be, to get the size of the screen, we can create size equal to media query dot of context dot size. Then left will be size dot width 0.55, and right will be size dot width negative of 0.45. Okay, yes, the screen has moved here. Okay, that's done. Now, to reduce the size, we can wrap the screen in another widget called scale transition. Let's align the text, and scale transition will need a scale, and let's give a scale animation to it. And we need to create scale animation. For that, go to top, and let's have animation of type double scale animation. Okay, and we can put in the need state. We have to give the first position and the final position, and it will animate according to it. Okay, and scale animation equal to CW twin. That's how twin animation works. We need to give first position and the last position double, and it begins at this and it will end at 0.8. And we have adding an error. Okay, let's need a animate, and we can give animation controller semicolon, and let's arrange the code, and at this scale we can give scale animation. Okay, we have having an error. It's saying scale not equal to null. We can restart the app. Hold reloading the app will show some error. Now let's restart. Okay, it's restarted, but the scale doesn't work. Let me take partition. Okay, it's showing the value of scale is null. So we can create a callback function on this button, and let's animate that. So after creating that, I think it will be done. For that, let's create a bool and name it as drawer open, and first we can set it to false. Then we can go to the screen, home screen. Okay, and let's have a function. Function, and name it as drawer callback. drawer callback, and let's have a constructor, and let it be required, and this drawer callback, and we need to pass it to this icon. So it's in the custom app bar, so we can pass the widget dot drawer callback, and inside the custom bar we need to have that function here too, so we can write it one more function drawer callback, and the constructor this dot drawer callback, and we can wrap this container. We can wrap this widget, which is this. Wrap this widget in an ink well. Then ink well will have a property on tap, and we can pass widget dot drawer callback. Okay, that's enough. Now we have to go to navigation drawer screen, and now our home screen will have a drawer callback function, and inside it let's have a set state and set our drawer open equal to true, and animation controller dot forward. Okay, now let's restart the app. Oh yes, it's working. Yes, now it's done. Next we have to animate this kind of. If we click this, it should be open. For that we can wrap the home screen in a widget called gesture detector. And gesture detector will have an on tap property, and on tap we can give if drawer open, then set state drawer open equal to false, and let's reverse the animation. Control for reverse. That's done, and we have to change the width as well. Drawer open, then it will be this side, else it will be here, and same as right. Drawer open, we will give this side L0. Okay, let's restart. Okay, is it press? Yes. Press here. Working. Oh, there's another problem. We we can access the widgets of the screen from here. That's not good, right? For that, we have another widget here, and that is absorption pointer. And absorption drawer open. Now it's not possible to drag the object. If we click, it's open. And it's almost done. And now we have to just add this curve design. That's all. And we will. To add the curve design, as you all know, we can wrap the widget with click rect, and it will have a property border radius dot circular. If drawer is open, we can give 50, else 0. Okay, the edges are curved too. Yes. That's how we completed all the apps. We completed all the 3 designs. And let's check if we have to do anything else. We created this. We install from down. And we click from here. And it has openability. And we completed this. And it's so satisfying to open and close this navigation drawer. Okay, if you like the design, please give a like to the video, and for more content, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.